In this video, I will show you how to book on ClassPass. Open the app, or in my case, the website. At the top of your screen, click on Upcoming. Then click Discover your next experience. Enter your city, then type in the specific class you're looking for, if you have one, into the search bar. Next, select the date you want. Choose a class that interests you. For this video, I will go with Open Gym at Fitness Army in Visayas Ave, which costs 1 credit. Click on it, then hit Reserve. Do note that the reservation occurs within 12 hours and that there is a late cancellation fee. Once booked, you will receive a confirmation with all the details for your class. And that's how to book on ClassPass.